What's going on, all my cheesy friends out there in YouTube world? Hi, Happy New Year. I know it's been a little bit since I posted anything. With the holidays being so crazy, being super focused on Q4, it's just been a lot. I also got sick in the process of getting over being even more sick, but I sound way better than I did like 3 or 4 days ago. We're out on the hunt. Things are dropping quicker than ducks on duck hunt. You know what I mean? So we are here in ye old clearance section. We're here for toys. Those suck. I was just looking at those. None of it's worth it. Amazon's all over it at $8. If they were $1 a piece, I'd be like, bro, I'm getting every one of them. What I'm really after is Legos. Legos are dropping hard, quick, and fast. I mean, we're talking Days of Thunder, Top Gun, the whole nine. We're gonna go see if we can find any of these Legos because my super duper handy inventory checker, which if you didn't see my last videos about bolos everywhere, yeah, Discord, man, let me know, I'll hook you up. But let's go see if we can find any of these hidden Legos that says they're here. And we've got our first hit, the Lego BTS Dynamite, $30. Make them holler. Make a 20 bucks on that. So make sure that they haven't absolutely destroyed them with the spiders. Yeah, we can get away with that. Yeah, this one's too screwed up. Like, if this is 10 bucks, maybe. It's like, even like, look at this one. Like, look how bad that is. But I'm gonna tell you the trick to this a little bit is finding stuff that's in this Black Friday section. Places like that, that's where you want to really be looking. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing anything. I'm really looking for like top stock, things that I know are probably either unmarked or just stragglers. I'm sure a bunch of it's probably been pulled to the back, but that's okay. We'll still find stuff. Oh, holy crap. Baby clearance. It has begun. Look at this. 90 down to 30 bucks. I don't know if I can even sell this on Amazon. And I'm gonna tell you, it's piss pouring rain right now. I can't load this in this kind of rain. This is with $20 of shipping. Crap, I am gated. And it's because of baby strollers. Ugh. I could try and do that local, but man, that's just a lot. Also, look at this crib, 79 bucks. This one looks even cheaper. 54, is that this guy? Holy crap. This one's 45. Out of the room. There's nothing, you know, unfortunatism of it. Look at this. This was 17, 140 down to 45. This Costco is probably 30 bucks, 41. It looks like maybe some of this has already gone through. I can't scan these labels. I don't know if you can see, but the labels are just absolute garbage. But that guy was 10 bucks. Holy crap. And you know that this isn't the only store that's going to be doing this, so, but if you're in the need for some baby stuff, get out there and get it. All right, now here's something I can really sink my teeth into. Coffee. I mean, it's not a huge, making, you know, what, $3 and some odd cents each, but at $2.50, and you know, I always tell you guys, check the dates. I mean, guys, if it's seasonal at this point in time, just make sure you're checking it. These coffee cake are $5.50 a piece, or sorry, they're $5 a piece. So at $15, I'm making $15 on each pack of 3, but we have to make sure, as always, July, 3 and 1 for me. I'm telling you guys, man, I make so much money on coffee every year. It's just a ridiculous thing. Here's what I'm really here for, the Starbucks. Everybody loves them some Starbies. $5. Make them holler before we get excited. July of 24. Now you see, I scan the UPC. That's not the way to do this. The way to do this is go this route, and you want to look for bundles. I'm not going to show you where it is, but do the work. It's in there. Sadly, there's only 3, but that's okay. That's all I'm seeing. It looks like I missed Peppermint Bark of Donut Shop or Do Nut Shop, because you see, it's Do Nut Shop. D-O Nut. Do Nut. And big tip when you're hunting this kind of clearance, make sure you're checking end caps. Unfortunately, I know this store has more. It's probably in the back. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. We'll take our little haul. We gotta go to the next one. Look, it's gonna be a ragtag kind of day. It might even take place over a couple days because they're dropping fast. Legos, everything's dropping. It's going crazy out here. Your boy's here to spend money. Today kind of sucks. It is raining of all rains that has ever rained. It's raining so hard. Even my dogs were like, nah, I'm not going outside. My one dog, she's like, water? I don't care. So you know it's bad when it's that bad. The lighting might be crappy, but I mean, it's absolutely just buckets. But hey, we out here to grind. Let's get on to the next store. We are in a new store and we've got a lot of work to do. And I already see, look at this. Look at this, look at this. 25 bucks. I'm gonna bet you it's not $25. $15. What I'm gonna do is start scanning my brains out. I've scanned all of it, and so far only that one set. But listen, this store has a super secret hidden place. They put crap and forget about it. Hopefully there's more stuff there. All right, here's a little decent one. Play-Doh burger. It was $3. And that's pretty good. They had the hairstylist one for $5, but it's not worth it on Amazon. So again, I wish I had the room, but those Disney princess castles are actually $45 a pop. And I know that they go for like 100 and something on Amazon. I just don't have the room, and it's raining cats and freaking dogs. Ugh. But this is the aisle I was talking about. They just put stuff over here. And here's what we came for, boys and girls. Look at this. $13. Make them holler. Now you're like, 13 bucks. That's crazy. What's even crazier is I believe this set, one of these sets go for like 45 bucks. Again, with these, you want to take them and you want to break them down. Don't sell the whole thing. Don't be that guy or gal. This is what I came for and what I hope for. And another freaking winner. See these bum bums? Bum bums. That's a funny word. Just because I know to always check Black Friday stuff, those are $7. Each one of those is gonna make me 11 bucks. I'm not mad at money, but we're gonna grab all three. And to tell you how crazy this is, I was here yesterday. None of this stuff was on clearance yesterday. So that's why it's always imperative to keep double, triple checking. And again, just goes to show you, not all clearance is created equal. New store, new floor, new opportunities. Let's get to scanning. I already see some Legos right here. Oh, that they are beat to hell. Holy crap. Oh, that's not even on clearance. Let me do some work. Alrighty, got our first little hit. See these guys? Boom, $5. I still have a bunch of the Skeledurges at the house. We're just gonna take these. Now there is actually a listing for all three of them as a bundle. I've never found the Quaxolotl, which is the water one, so not a bad start. So these Star Wars little dudes, they're 15 bucks with about $8 shipping. They should make me a good $5 or $6. So we shall grab those up, and worst comes worst, they sit and appreciate, right? Not seeing much outside of that. That's it for that. Let's keep on trucking here. Small little score, $6, you know, $3 a piece. It's not huge, but it's money in the tank, and Legos are proven to do good. So there was a set here. It still says there's 3 in the store. Like I just checked it 2 minutes ago. And it's a big set, so it's something that's like not easily disposable of. It means that we're gonna have to go check the clearance section, which their clearance section is weird, but I'm also gonna like triple check this entire area because it should be here. You know what happens? It is what it is, but we're not gonna let that defeat us. Now these are 20 bucks. I would pick them up, but they're just so big and the fees are so crazy on them. It's just kind of like, eh. What would you do? Tell me in the comments below. Would you have picked them up? And am I stupid? I mean, the rank isn't the best. It's 56K. In toys. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's... So what I was hoping was that it might be somewhere in here, because this is their weird clearance aisle thing. But as you guys can see, the Legos aren't here. These guys, oh my god. Epson, these, you gotta get them cheap. I mean, really, really cheap. But these are worth so much money, it's ridiculous. They're not cheaper than what they say. Makes me a sad boy. It is what it is, right? Where did 3 giant Lego sets go? Lord only knows. But this is why I double, triple check things. Pudgy Penguins Igloo 1-pack, they're $1. So making $2 on each. And we'll put them in the cart. Like, we're just trying to make money, right? Every opportunity, seize every opportunity. Coffee here was a fail, none of it's marked down. By the way, if you like Prime, that cherry freeze is freaking amazing. So we'll take our little haul and go to the next store. All right, new store, new shenanigans. So, see how these see 17? These are actually 7. So that makes these $3.50 a piece. And like I showed you guys, $3.50, I mean, you're still making decent money. There's just a lot of people on these. I honestly don't know if it's worth it, because some of these don't do good. It could be like one of those really long-term hold things, but I'm gonna do some more looking. But so far, clearance section sucks. Nothing overly fun and exciting, as you can see. So after further review of the play, I'm an idiot. Now, I know that doesn't look like a lot, but that's a lot. And that's one of those figures in there. Time to sweep the nation, baby. Grab them all, fill the cart, all your mamas, your papas. The only thing that sucks about these, when you open them and you have to, there's a black barcode on the bottom of the UPC, and you have to take every one of them off. And it takes time, but that's okay. We will clear them anyway. We are in the Lego section, and it's about to be dynamite. That's right. I made a BTS joke. Don't even play. That price ain't no joke though. Let's freaking go. 1, 2, 3. But as you can probably kind of tell, it's going to be one of those scan the tops, hope for the best situations. Signed, sealed, delivered, found some more. Yeah, your boy is hyped as hell. And let me show you what's up. All right, first one, $26. 11, 14, 6. That one's $4. It's a little goobered up, but it's okay. Kind of just personal. $30. And then the Avatar joint. This one, $24. What a freaking score. My car is gonna be so full later. Yeah, boy cleaned up. Oh, what about this Hulkbuster? I'm looking at anything old sets just to make sure. Yep, that's it. Let's go see if there's any more hidden somewhere. Now, let me show you this monstrosity of something I wouldn't do. You see this? These are 23. They come up on Amazon, but man, 27 inches, that's a huge box. Let's just check the data, just because I'm curious. That's almost worth it. Almost worth it. Oh goodness. Oh man, it's $30 a profit per. It's raining so hard. No, I think we're gonna pass. Just because that's just something 27-inch box. You would hope and pray that they would all go to 1FC, otherwise you are so screwed. Holy crap on a cracker. $54. Yeah, I can't fit any of this. Oh my god, $89. Is it for this guy? Oh my goodness. I mean, it's just, there's more stuff over here. There's stuff over here. Y'all, it's clearance season. Clearance and crap for no reason. Swings, pack and plays. If this is your jam, like look at this Graco. And look at that, 59 down from 199. It's nuts. It's just, it's bananas. Woo-wee! I just went bananas. $345 spent. Now to get it all in the car somehow, some way, and get my butt to work because it's getting late. Well, that was one heck of a haul, one heck of a day. We got through all the rain, all the gross. I had to actually go out. I totally forgot to do an outro and I had to go out and get gas. Thankfully, the rain finally stopped. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.